This is how I gotta make all my holes. It's kind of a pain. I'm already about halfway through this one. There's a nice big chunk down there. Finally. Hey guys, I'm out here doing some ice fishing. Just caught 2 trout and didn't have the GoPro on, but should be able to catch a bunch of fish more today, so hopefully I get those on camera too. So the two that I caught came on some gulp maggots, and just rigging a plain hook with a split shot about a foot up the line, then putting 2 maggots on the hook, and got 1 bite, let the fish go, and I dropped it back down, and the other fish bit before I'd even set up the rod. So seems like they're pretty hungry. Might try just standing here instead of letting it sit. Seems to be a bunch of fish down here. Oh, yep, there's a bunch down there. Immediately. Oh, that's a nicer fish too. Oh wow. Jeez, he swiped at it. Looks like got him in the side. That's kind of strange. Okay, that's fish number 3 for the day. There he goes. There must be a ton of them down there for them to be biting on the drop. Just rigging up 2 maggots like that. See if there's more. Okay, got that dead stick rod set up. Gonna go do some jigging at another hole. Just had a bite on this. Got him. Oh, these things are so squirmy. It's number 6. Fish number 6. Down he goes. This one hole I've caught 6 fish out of and nothing at all on any of the other holes, so I'm gonna make a couple more holes around here and hopefully catch more fish than just this one hole. Basically what I've been doing is setting up this dead stick rod with the gulp and then hole hopping around, jigging at the other holes and just watching this one, see if there's anything on it. It's been working pretty well so far. There's so many fish down there, I don't know why. It's number 7. I think my bait's a little bit old. Lost some of its scent. Fresh bait, that should get some more bites. Here's one. Another small fish. This might be my last fish of the day, but I got a little crappie here. No fish for a while, so I switched up to this little tiny jig and got this little crappie. The sun just set probably 20 minutes ago, and that kind of kills the bite. Fish can't see the bait as well, so it's kind of expected to slow down this time of day.